Hey everybody, good morning. Oh, it looks like my home run trade is just over. Look at this. I was in with micros on this trade. Oh, and look at that. It's just gonna take me out like that. Anyway, I entered to a home run trade here. And it seems like NQ is going crazy. Good morning, everyone. What a trade. And I thought we were gonna go to like 245-ish area. Did we have some news here? I think we did. Shai Sosa, hey, NQ going absolutely nuts right now. Brands, good morning. And Shai Sosa, good morning. Amit, good morning. How's everybody? How are you guys? Hope everybody's doing great. Just like I opened the stream and boom, NQ just dumped. Anyway, looks interesting. Almost took my stop. I was aiming for a short around 240. Well, I was going for, if you see my balance here on this account, I'm almost ready to pass this account, this evaluation. But it seems like this is not going to be the trade. Or it might not be the trade. Only with micros. I'm going to be looking for the next one anyway. It's going to be break even, so I'm not that worried about this. But still, interesting. Interesting. So, what's happening? What's happening? Let's see. One of the reasons I entered to this trade is that on the 1 minute we have a, well, what can I say? Not too perfect order block on the 1 minute. Actually, no, on the 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute bearish order block. I really like the highs up there. We have a swing high also at 243. So I thought, why not? We did have some news, I think, right now. Some kind of news, right? Was there something? Bank of Japan press conference. Okay, so that could be interesting. Could be happening anytime. Import prices increased a lot in Germany. So that's a little bit negative. Otherwise, nothing else. Nothing else that I see. What's happening, Peter? Hey, good to see you. Hansen, good morning. Boom, boom. What's happening? Hey there. Yeah, the Japan interest rate. Japan interest rate. Okay. Bank of Japan rate hike. Okay, that was posted like 30 minutes ago. Yeah, because I'm not a subscriber for Financial Juice, and it gives the news a little bit delayed. Japanese stocks recover losses as the yen fluctuated as traders digested the Bank of Japan interest rate hike and showdown in bond purchases. Okay, whatever. You know, whatevs. Good morning, Saya. Good morning. Yeah, it was a little bit tricky. It was a little bit tricky. I'm still in this, but I think I might gonna get taken out at break even here. Yeah. I wanted to go for a home run to pass this account. It seems like it's not gonna happen now. But it was okay. It's fine. It's at break even. And it's only micros, so looking for the next one, obviously. We were close to those highs up there. I don't think it's gonna go now. I'm not even sure what's happening with the Japanese interest rate right now. Marco, good morning. Good to see you there. Good to see everybody. And almost taking it out. Almost. Don't forget it, guys. Today is the last. Naomi, hey, Naomi, good morning. Today is the last day for Bulenox 90%, and Apex Trader is finishing up with the big sale for the 40. I mean, the big accounts for $40. So, you know. And there you go. All right. So it was a possible home run. But I didn't succeed in this one. All right. So if it goes down, where can it go? It can go, actually, I made 34 cents. So actually I finished in profit. That's a good thing. I still believe it can go higher. Might have to wait for some deeper pullback, and I'm gonna put a line here as buy side liquidity. So let's see. Cannot pay for parking. Yeah. Well, I was up pretty well, but the Bank of Japan decision, I really thought that we're gonna, you know, reach for that. My target was actually a little bit lower. It was at 41. I thought that we're gonna go for it. I can still, you know, try to recalculate of how far it can go higher. For example, if I want to do this, I can still do it. I feel like this is bullish still. This is still bullish. So I'm going to stay bullish for now. I might going to take another home run. How much is the risk? Yeah, 4 micros. Should I jump in with 4 micros now? Yeah, F it. Who cares? 4 micros jumped in. If it starts to go crazy, I'm just going to no, that's, yeah, at 32 it should be all right. Yeah, it's 58. Yeah, that should be fine. All right, I jumped into another buy. This is, anyway. Morning, Holy Grail. Good to see you. Damn it, I don't know what's up with Streamlabs. I changed the settings again yesterday. Keep spamming. It still keeps spamming. All right, I'm gonna change the settings again. For the timers. I'm gonna add more lines. Minimum line is 5. It's gonna be like 6. I don't know. I do have like 18 minutes set for each and every, and it still pops in. I don't know why. Anyway. Dynasty, good morning. Good morning. Oh, would you look at that? Now I'm in drawdown. Might have to close it. Yeah, closing it. Damn it. What a turnaround in events. It's just an eval, so I'm all right. Okay. It might still want to go lower. We are in daily premium, so let's see the 5-minute. We have, Yeah, this is technically I'm not saying a perfect order block, but almost feels like it. And I don't know what the hell I'm doing right now. Starting to go crazy here, starting to lose my cool here. June, good morning. Parmin there, hey. You're short, looking for sell side at 95. That's probably a good idea. Somehow I was pretty much attached to the longs here. So all right. I don't know why I keep doing this. Anyway, jumped into a long again. By some reason, I got married to the idea that it should go for that buy side and to the 5-minute order block. So I'm in the trade again. And that's it. Let's see. We don't need much. We need like $300-ish to pass this evaluation. And it's gone. 185 S35 contracts is gone, right? That's the crazy in it. Like that, those contracts are just, you know, coming and going in every second, like disappearing and appearing up out of nowhere. I don't know how. So anyway. Look at this, Mother Tucker. What a crazy move here. Maybe I should have just taken some partials, right? Maybe I will. Maybe I will take some partials. Oh no, maybe it's too late. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Gonna wait a little bit. All right, took some partials just to get some of the losses back. And now I'm putting this to break even. The problem is, oh, actually, my problem is yeah, I still need that amount. Yeah, it's not gonna be enough. I might have to add to this. I might gonna have to add to this one. Hey, Dark Cloud, took the bounce up? All right, let's go. Now, the sad news is I'm not going to be able to pass the account with this trade. So I might going to have to add if it does another displacement higher. Target would be at 45-ish area if it goes. If not, at least I'm break even. Well, not perfectly break even, but at least I'm not risking too much. So how's everybody doing? Hope you guys had a great day yesterday. Yeah, so far it's going. I might want to add to this. I'm still waiting for a clean displacement. And I think this is... Yeah, I'm adding to this. At 3. Gonna keep my stop tight. And I close it if I have to. Actually, I'm gonna bring my TP to 40. It wants to go. Hey Kevin, good to see you. I'm surprised gold did not react that sell-off. Yeah, it's interesting. I haven't even checked on gold yet too much. Yeah, look at gold. Gold is basically just standing still, unplugged. Nothing is happening. Yet NQ did that crazy pullback. So, oh man, it wants to take me out. I really thought that this time it's gonna go. I really thought that it will go. Well, it's not finished yet, but usually I'm used to seeing some kind of reaction. Yeah, it's definitely interesting why gold didn't react like at all to this. And in the European session, most likely I would have expected gold to react to the rate decision and not Nasdaq so far, but no, could be wrong. Anyway. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. It's still going, but I'm not putting it to break even yet. And could we go up just playing with your mind? Oh yeah. Yeah, it sure does, as the usual. From the low, 500 points up. Yeah, pretty crazy. I don't know if it wants to take all this, but we have a nice swing high at 45, so I tried to push it once more. And this is a 5-minute bearish order block that I outlined. We also have some targets up there, like well, these are not equal highs, but on the 1 hour, there is still a lot to do. Look at that. It tried to break this high yesterday, this Thursday high. Didn't manage to do it. Maybe now. But if you look at the 1 hour chart, this is actually a bearish order block. Bearish order block starting right here at 27-ish. The midsection is somewhere around the 45. So that's good. This order block could be broken, hopefully. And we still have that area up at 885. So, yeah, we have some targets, but who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? Good morning, Pablo. You're long on crude? Let's go. What's happening? Okay. Yeah, crude is going down. I mean, sorry, up. It went down is what I meant to say. And now it just keeps grinding higher. Let me see crude on the 1 hour chart. Yeah, this is there's a bearish order block at 76.53. So obviously a good target for crude. 53, 54. So it should be going. I would expect to go. So the trade is here, still sitting in it. Just looking for that 40. Nothing else. All right. It's just hovering here. It might gonna turn around. I don't like this weakness here. Do we have anything news-wise? Press conference from Bank of Japan. It should be happening any moment, right? It could be happening right now. Let's refresh. No. Unemployment change is gonna happen in the London Open, after the London Open. French CPI news. Now we have some news here, and of course the moment of the day is gonna be the FOMC press conference. Guys, focus on the press conference. The statement, nobody's gonna care about too much about the statement because it's gonna be, you know, nothing major in the statement. The press conference is going to be the big move. That's going to be the one, the press conference. You missed this trade. Yeah, don't worry. You might going to be happy that you missed this one. So again, guys, if you want to trade a FOMC, you can watch the press conference most likely live on YouTube. The press conference is going to be the big mover. Nobody really cares about the statement. I mean, of course they care, yes, but it's pretty much as expected. So like the statement itself is just boring, you know. they're keeping it very boring and diplomatic, and everything is just, yes, we're working on it, everything is fine, you know, blah blah blah, all the usual stuff. So the statement itself is as expected, but the press conference, they're going to be asking some nasty questions, I hope, from Powell, and he has to, at this point at FOMC, he has to comment something on those questions. He cannot say like, I'm not commenting on the markets, because this is why he's there right now. So people bought Nvidia at 1.6, now at, oh, people are suffering. It touched 100. Let's check out Nvidia. Whoa, look at that. Yeah, it went down to 100. And people were buying it even higher, right? Actually, I think, you know, buying here, it's a round number. I don't know anything about stocks or how Nvidia behaves. I don't know the fundamentals of what's happening with Nvidia. But just, you know, to talk about the whole numbers, I'm guessing if it goes to around 100 from all those highs, it shouldn't be a bad decision to buy some portions, you know, buy some here, you know, and just keep it for the long run. I think it's a good investment. Nvidia, obviously, the biggest fish in the market, so buy it here. What's Tesla doing? Tesla also got wrecked yesterday, went down to 219 from 224. Almost like a 5% wreck here, and now it's back up there. Nice going. I wonder how people can trade pre or after market because market closes. That's a question I have no idea what to say for, because I really don't know. Is there a possibility, like, there's obviously, that's why it says electronic trading hours, no, extended trading hours. So what does that mean? Extended trading hours, like it. So there's definitely some trading hours extended, but how? I think Google is our friend, and we have to ask Google, how is it possible to buy shares after market close? Obviously, it could be just Wall Street. Maybe maybe you can still buy these shares on other exchanges. I don't know. I have no freaking idea. Maybe for, yeah, maybe for institutional players, it's available. I don't know, like hedge funds or whatever. I don't know. Might have to look into that. I don't like this, man. It's just keep getting weaker and weaker. It might gonna have to take the, I mean, it might be taking the stairs down or the elevator down, but it's getting weaker and weaker. It's just gonna fall. And I don't like being in this position now. But I might take the loss on this. If it takes the elevator down, at least I gave a chance for this one to go. I took a little bit of a partial just to get some of the losses back, but now I just don't know. If it starts taking the elevator, I'm just gonna kill the trade. Spy Girl, greetings. Hey, well, nothing special. I'm just trying to reach for those highs on NQ. You can always buy after hours. Okay, John D. So that's why I didn't know this. That's as good to know. You can buy after hours. Question is, I'm guessing you can, for example, again, I have no idea, but I guess from some online brokerages, you can still buy, or, you know, I don't know. I have no idea. Blah 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 in Hungarian translates to blah blah blah. Sorel. That means exactly the same like in English. Blah blah blah. It's the same, you know. It's the same. Extended hours, you buy like regular hours. Just the volume is low and you get feel slower. Okay. I've been good, Spy Girl. I've been good. How have you been? How is traveling? How is everything? It's good to see you. Depends on your broker. Almost all will let you buy until 8 p.m. Okay. Now this I didn't know. So I absolutely had I never traded stocks or options. I have absolutely no idea how that goes. Zero idea. So that's good to know, I guess. I'm short copper to target Asia lows. Nice. Let's go, Pablo. Let's go. Robinhood users can take certain stocks 24 hours now. Really? Wow. Look at that. If we reach that 40 level, I think we're going to pass this evaluation account. If we reach that 40 level. Guys, it's so interesting. Like, even if I failed this trade, whatever, but it's so different. Did you guys notice that it's so different to trade an evaluation account and a funded account? Your brain, actually my brain, is acting up differently. Everything is different. I go second out myself. I do crazy trades. I force trades which are not even there. I cannot see the market that clear. So the magic stops when I'm trading on the funded account. And I don't know why is that. And also, if a funded account is reaching, for example, the payout threshold is 3, or I want to bring the funded account to $3,000, the closer I get to that $3,000 on the funded account, for example, I'm at $2,000, I'm starting to realize that it's getting harder and harder. The last few $100s are getting super hard. Like, oh my God, it's going to be very... So, I don't know. It's all in our head, and it's... I have to work on it. I don't know what to do about it. Because it's not even real money, it's simulated. It's a demo account. The funded accounts are demo accounts too, so I don't know. And my initial investment is, quote unquote, only like, depending on the prop firm, $100 to $200. Why am I so stressed out? Why am I so stressed out for the last few $100s? It's like the hardest thing. I have to work on this. What's up, Rob? Hey. Mr. No problem, Rob. I'm glad to see you here. Well, I'm trying to pass this account if I can, you know, such as Tesla, Amazon, Apple. Yeah, J-Ho, good to see you. I was just watching this morning. Ended my week early. Oh yeah, J-Ho, you did great, guys. J-Ho absolutely murdered the market yesterday. Like, banked so much profit. Traveling is good. Been busy? All right, Spy Girl. I'm just reading the chat all over. Imagine how is trading real money. Funded account is nothing like trading real money. Yeah, exactly. So this is why this trading game, guys. So I'm actually, I want to open an account with maybe $1,000 and only trade 1 micro on it. So the goal is not to make tens of thousands of dollars on the account. The goal is to trade regularly on the account and see how it goes with 1 micro. Oh no, look at this. I don't understand this, man. What's it doing right now? It's melting down again. Anyway. Muhammad, hey, good to see you. I just fund account like you trade rec account, but real money, my emotions, everything changes, I guess. Real money. All the time invested, yeah. Yeah, it's like losing weight. Closer you get to the target, the harder it gets. Exactly. Jeho is here, yeah. Where is Marcos? I haven't seen Marcos. He was on the Discord, but I haven't seen him on the stream. Maybe he's building the time machine at CERN. I hope he is doing well. But he was killing the market. Yeah, I haven't seen him in at least a week ago or something, or maybe more. From which broker you want to? I don't know. I don't know, Hansen. I haven't decided yet. But I'm also thinking to maybe open with a Forex broker. I was trading with IC markets, so I might gonna trade CFDs because the spread is very low with IC markets. But that's a CFD, obviously, so the price is different. There's no commission, which is good, but but the spread is good. I don't know. The thing is, with M futures, it seems like, or with TradeAway, I don't know which one, I have to deposit like $5,000 or something, and I don't know. Yeah, congratulations to Jeho. Tom, if you see him on Discord, say hi. Oh, definitely. Definitely. Apex approved the payout. Let's go. Applause to Kevin. Congrats. You the man, Kevin. Nice going. So, another person who got paid by Apex, who's gonna get paid by Apex, of course. But if you're approved, then obviously the wire transfer is gonna be on its way. We have more and more people every week approved by Apex. Of course, we have people who got denied, but they also pay. Interactive brokers, Schwab AMP is good. That's right. IBKR, that's Interactive Brokers. Did you know that Interactive Brokers got founded by a Hungarian person? I think we talked about this. Interactive Brokers founder is a Hungarian person. He's one of the richest people in the world. He has 38 billion. So, oh, one day I can get funded too. 1/3 past this combine. Let's go, Muhammad. You will. As long as you don't give up, you're gonna get funded. I'm sure about that. As long as you don't give up, you will get funded. Guys, I think I'm going to put this to break even because if it starts trading, you know, lower than my stop, it doesn't matter anyways. So I put this to break even, right? So there you go. We are at break even, at least. Because if it starts to trade below that, obviously we're gonna go for the low again. And I just want to see what market wants to do right now. This is gonna be another possible home run again, which I did earlier. Almost broke that high. Let's see. Yeah, he's Hungarian. Tamás Péterfi. He has the same name as me. His first name is the same as mine, you know. Tamás Péterfi. He's a Hungarian fellow. left the country after the war in 50. I mean, there was a civil war in Hungary in 1956, and after that a lot of people left the country, and he also left the country, immigrated to the States, learned there, and in the 70s or in the 80s they made electronic trading with their own computers, and they made a bunch of money on that. So that's how he started. Yeah, and then he founded Interactive Brokers. Just like saying, like, George Soros has $8 billion, Donald Trump has like $3, $4, $5 billion. This man, Tamás Péterfi, the founder of Interactive Brokers, has $38 billion. So, and he's a very, very, very humble guy. He's a very nice person, at least on the interviews I've seen with him. So, of course, he's old now. He's like 80 something, maybe 90. I don't know. Oh, look at that. I think it's a good idea. I'll put this to break even. What is the max withdrawal we can take on Apex? I think the withdrawal cap is $2,000 maybe. Let me see. Withdrawal limit. The minimum is 500. No, that's not. No, that's not. I have no idea. It should be the maximum. Let me see. Account, the maximum withdrawal amount tied to each account, $2,000 on a 50K per withdrawal. After the third withdrawal, I think there is no limit. Yeah, depends on the size of the account, but on the 100K account it's 2,500. On the 150K it's $2,750. On the 250K, 3,000. On the 300K, 3,500. So $2,000 per withdrawal, the max. After the third withdrawal, there is no limit. So it's pretty much standard. It's pretty much standard. Let's see. Congrats, yeah, congratulations, Kevin. There, they are just slow. I have always gotten paid. Yeah, there you go, Kevin. The trade copier didn't work, but the crude trade from 76 is working. Let's go. Crude is going. Oh yeah, it's going. It seems like it's going. Well, I'm still in this one. What is the message? It's been 2 months since the last time I blew my account. This one still going. Hey, that's a good job, man. You kept the account. That's one of the main goals, you know. So you're doing great. I just use the broker which most professional use because it's safe. Yeah, and if you know, one other plus, if you deposit your own money to a broker, make sure it's regulated, because if you deposit into an unregulated offshore brokerages, then you might gonna have some trouble, especially when payout comes. Make sure you use a regulated brokerage, you know, because there's no issue with those. The Interactive founder is always laughing and seems to be really enjoying life. Oh, he is. 38 billion is enough. Like a Hungarian person that I met in Yokohama. Oh. Well, he's not a young fellow now, but I guess he's enjoying his $38 billion. Of course, it's not in cash, obviously, but still. With that kind of money, you know, you can't even give it away. It's so much money, you just can't give it away like that. It's so much. If I would have that much money, I would be giving it away like every single year, a huge portion, to make sure it's gonna last for a while. You know, I would be giving away a lot from that, obviously for charity and everything, every kind of good cause. Yeah. Abs, hey there, good to see you. Copiers sometimes don't. Yeah, so all the copiers has some issues sometimes. Regarding my payout from Apex, ask for more information and setups. It's getting annoying because I do scalp trades too, and I told them that. Let's see what they say. Oh, let's hope, Abs, that it's gonna be fine. Let's hope. You may not be able to, but you can give away a free MyFundedFutures 50K account. That's true. That's true. That's actually true. You know what? We're gonna do giveaways this week. Today is Wednesday, so why not? Stay tuned. We're gonna do some. I mean, it's a good thing now. Almost every week, I'm able to give away a few of these small cash prizes, like for like $50 or $100. Either it will deliver now or not. More pullback. Yeah, it could be. I still don't know what this one wants. But I'm at break even, so I made peace with it. Actually, what I can do is I'm gonna put my stop here, because if it trades below that level, obviously it's gonna go lower. So it should be, if it takes out that low and then goes for the stop, it should be trading below. At least I'm securing a little bit. So I wanted to see if this one can be a home run. As far as I did my calculations, if we reach 240, then this account will pass. So yeah, good morning, Tommy. Tom, should I be worried about Apex? They ask screenshots you provided need to show the full chart, including date time. No. I mean, took that day. No, you shouldn't. You know, you just take the screenshot. Maybe I don't know if it was a Ninja Trader or Quant Tower, but you can show. You can also do some markups on the chart, like, you know, write down there is your fair value gap or order block, whatever, you know, and then they will understand. But I understand it's frustrating. It's annoying. It's annoying. I see. I had a profit of 800 in the morning, but I did not book. My stop loss got hit in the last minute. Oh, that sucks. That usually happens. Market does that thing. 200 to 215 consolidation zone. Yeah, pretty much. We are in a consolidation zone, and that's why if it trades below my stop, I would imagine it can go lower. That's why I secured a little bit there. So my charts and markup already, but because it's scalp trades and setups, well, you have to explain them that you were looking for some levels here and there. Obviously you sent it already, but if next time they ask something, explain maybe on the chart that you know, this is a whatever zone or resistance zone or fair value gap or liquidity was here based on this, and that's why you took the scalp. So that's it. I mean, hopefully next time this doesn't come up, but if it will, you can do some nice charts for them. I know it's annoying, and I know nobody wants to do this, me neither, if they ask me. But I will just mark up everything, and I'm gonna explain everything on the chart as well, with arrows, with zones, rectangles, everything, like what is this and this and this and what I was looking for, blah blah blah, and that's it, if they need it. But I know it's annoying. Our one pivot point is at 218, keeps reacting off it. Yeah, it seems like it's having a hard time at 218. Don't worry about it, Ebbs. I mean, even if I mean, how should I put this? Worst case scenario, right? I don't want to jinx it, but worst case scenario, they're gonna say it's denied. Then obviously you have to continue trading, maybe with smaller size, just to make sure you don't lose your profits there. And, you know, just make that trading days for the next time and you should be okay. Be a little bit more conservative. Your account is not gonna get closed, but you know, for the next period, you will be fine. Bob, hey there. Well, everything's cool. I'm trying to make a home run on this trade. If I can pass this evaluation account. I'm in a long trade, and the reason for that is this swing high to the left, and obviously a 5-minute bearish order block. Well, it's not a. Is it a 5-minute? It's a 15-minute bearish order block up there. Not a perfect one, but let's just say it's an order block. So that's what I'm trying to do here. But it doesn't look good now. It's just NQ is unplugged. Macedonia, what happens if it's denied? Does that mean all profits? No. It's not gonna get ignored. You just have to keep on trading for the next payout period. So trading days wise and everything, you just have to keep on trading. Obviously not just flipping, try not just to flip the account once every time with the micro, but just keep on trading, and obviously have to apply for the next payout, and they're going to review it again. And if they see consistency and somewhat normal equity curve on the next payout period, then it's going to get approved, obviously, especially if they see that you applied once already and you kept trading to your plan. Then, you know, actually somebody told me that he got who was that? I don't know. Somebody told me he got denied for the first time, so he kept on trading with a little bit smaller size but consistently, and for the second time he got approved, and he could take out some of the previous profits too, because it was capped, of course, but he was allowed for a payout for the second time, so it's not all lost. So drop now? I don't know. I hope not. Bon, sorry, Bon. Open will take us out most likely. Oh, I don't want that. It's 6 minutes. It might gonna take me out. I don't want that. You know, if it takes me out, at least it's gonna be a break-even trade. So, gonna be looking for the next one. Happened before. Anyway, push the like button and subscribe, guys, because we're gonna do giveaways too, and it would really help out the stream. Also, I can say this maybe once every hour, so this 1 hour passed. If you guys would like to support the channel, I would greatly appreciate that. please use my codes and links. Bulenox, the last day of the 90% sale. Obviously, they can come up again, so who knows when. But maybe for a while, they'll go back to the 83% sale. So grab your 90% off accounts, stack up a few if you want to. And Apex is ending the sale for $40 for the big accounts. So check that out too. Also 80% off lifetime for the others. So grab your accounts. Take Profit Trader also good, 50% off. And you get your, well, there's an activation fee now, but you get your initial test account fee back on your first withdrawal. And MyFundedFutures is obviously the cheapest account with the starter including activation fee because there is no activation fee. Thank you so much. And of course the regular TopStep 20%. No eval prop firm. Obviously you have to go to Fast Track Trading. Fast Track Trading, I already applied for an account with them, but there's an issue with my email address. I can't get the payout received because it says my email address is gibberish. This is the exact word that it says. Your email address is gibberish. Please use a different one. I was like, what? So I'm gonna be having a Fast Track Trading account too. I'm doing the wire transfer. And we'll see if they just gonna, hopefully they're gonna stay. That's the only prop firm right now that we know that is instant funded accounts. Yeah, that's what it says. It says gibberish. That's the word. Your email address is gibberish. It's a Gmail address. It's nothing special. I tried to add another email, and what it did, it created another account. So now I have two accounts with them. I have two accounts, and I don't want, and in the terms of service, if you have more than one account, they can ban you from the prop firm. So I wrote them an email that, hey guys, you did not accept my email, and now I just filled in another email for the pay to have the account ready. And now I have two accounts. So I wrote them another email that, guys, please delete the new account because I don't want to, you know, go against the terms of service. So now I'm waiting for the reply. It's a little bit slow, but they created another account for me. So now I have two accounts with them. But I want them to delete the new account because I don't know why they don't accept my Gmail address. So anyway, Fast Track Trading is the only futures prop firm right now that I know that gives you instant funded account. So check him out. If you would like to give some credit to the stream, use my link. And there's a code FTT_30 to get the 30% off. That's it. I'm doing currently a Bulenox. I'm doing MyFundedFutures. I'm doing everything basically, and Take Profit Trader too. I do have to trade more with Take Profit Trader. Obviously, I left it pretty much behind. Currently, I have, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3 funded accounts with Bulenox, and 1, 2, 3 evaluations that already passed. And this is the 4th evaluation account currently that you guys see is also a Bulenox account. So I'm pretty much stacked up at Bulenox, and I want to do some more Apex accounts. Unfortunately, I don't know why I go crazy with the MyFundedFutures accounts, and I don't know, I wasn't really able to. I only have one funded account with MyFundedFutures, and it drives me crazy that I'm unable to make more funded accounts with them because I always mess up everything. Yes, I've been paid from Bulenox, Spy Girl. I've been paid, so Bulenox pays. I can confirm that. This one is a Bulenox account. Yes, sorry. This one is a Bulenox account. TickTick Trader also does no eval accounts option for a long time, just a lot more expensive. Oh, really? I heard about TickTick Trader. I just didn't know that they do the instant funded account. All right, that's good to know. Right now at Fast Track Trading, if you use the discount code, it's $314 for a 50K account instantly funded. Bulenox activation fee is $148 lifetime. There's no monthly fee on the 50K, so the 50K account is $148. TopStep has $149. MyFundedFutures, they don't have anymore. All right. So TopStep has it for $149, so it's $1 cheaper than TopStep. Take Profit Trader, I think they have the $100 activation fee now after the, during the new promo. I'm not sure. Is it 100 or 130? I don't even know. I have to check it. Oh no, look like London might gonna take me out. Yeah, damn it. Was a good run. How am I doing here? London might gonna take me out here. That's sad. Anyway, if it takes me out, maybe later I'll be looking for another entry. But that is what it is. So sad. But I was in a drawdown already early in the stream, so I tried to get back to the initial balance. I mean, somewhere near to the initial balance. So let's see what it does. Take profit is 130. All right, so yeah, I wasn't sure if it's 100 or 130. Saya is out. Nice. I hope in profit. Good morning, Alicia. What is the activation? Take profit is 130. Okay, so $130 is the activation fee. With take profit, if you can pass the first month, then all of the first month, then all of the accounts end up being 130 because they refund the evaluation fee. Oh yeah, they refund the evaluation fee. That's true. That's true. Anyway, price is having trouble here, and yeah, the 218 level, it seems like it's giving enough trouble here. I'm gonna get taken out from this one. What a sad thing. Yeah. It is what it is, guys. What can we do? What can we do? I would be surprised if I don't get taken out from this. Might want to go and take the swing low here. I really wanted to see a home run, but it's not that easy. In profit, nice. All right, Saya. Very good, very good. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on, London. Why are you doing this to me? London is gonna go down. If it goes down, it should be taking down out the 60s. Down there. Come on, one more spike and let me go. Just let me go. There you go. Actually, I made $5. Oh man, it was a home run. I tried it. Maybe next time. Maybe for next time. No, because if it trades down here, it can go lower. maybe to, well, maybe even down here to 71. See? I want to go down there to 71. I don't want to be in this trade. Well, it's a little bit scary to go short, but look at these candles. I do like it, to be honest. I do like it. Should be going down to 83. It did go down, right? 83.25. Yeah, it did. All right. All right. Repricing this 1 minute gap. Gerard, hello. London wants to always take every little drop of liquidity. Oh yeah, it does. Well, if it decides to go higher again and maybe form a structure, you know, somewhere. Let me show you. If it forms a structure like this, then I might be getting in again for a long position. Do you have any Bulenox option 2 accounts? No option 2s. Not that I don't like it. So hard to pass them with only 2 lots for the first K. Yeah, I don't have option 2s because it's cheaper to buy MyFundedFutures accounts than Bulenox option 2s. If you use the code tomsabo2, you can get 45% discount for option 2s, but it's still like, I mean, it's not bad. It's like $95 or $100, but there's the activation fee as well. And it's end of day trailing and daily stop out, which is a soft breach, so it's not gonna blow the whole account. So it's not that it's not bad, the option 2s, but there is a scaling rule there. Daily stop out level. I go with MyFundedFutures. If I spend a little bit extra money, I go with MyFundedFutures because there's no activation fee there. Yeah, you got one. Yeah, because there was a sale, Marco. There was a sale, but right now there is no. But you did well. You can't use MyFunded. Yeah, Mark. I understand. Yeah, I remember now. Sorry. Yes, you're right. Yeah, there was a good sale for option 2s as well. I told everybody, guys, grab the option 2s if you want to go with end of day trailing. It was a good sale from Bulenox. And if you blow the account, you can still keep the subscription like I do because you're still gonna get the discount. Sell gold. Let's check on gold. Yeah, it seems like we are just at a bullish order block right now at the neckline. So I would be careful selling gold here. If you look at the 5 minute, this is like a bullish order block. Shifted structure up there as well, and here. If price goes into this area, we can see some more bullishness. This is only my opinion. Obviously, I could be absolutely wrong on this. But we have another one here on the left, and I'm gonna be staying bullish with gold, seeing this order block on the 5 minute. Now it's coming down here. I would be jumping into maybe longs. I know some traders used to do like they wait for a structure on the lower time frame, and if it's shifting with an up close candle, they jump in. So this is the order block level. If I see a structure here forming, I might take a long. I don't know. Good morning, Yoragat. Fellow trader, Hungarian fellow trader, Zoltan. Welcome. Look at this, man. Took me out, and now it wants to go back. I might gonna go aggressive again. Who knows? I might gonna go aggressive. and take it. I don't know. I just need an up close candle. I don't even need the fair value gap. Just jumped in to leave you a like. Going to work. Oh, sad to hear that. Sell it, don't buy it. All right. Well, I'm just gonna wait for now. Look at this. NQ might be shifting. Should I give it one more chance? NQ. Or is this just going to sweep some more liquidity below 67? No displacement yet. All right, 5 seconds. I don't know if it's gonna make it or not. It didn't make it. It didn't make it. Just hovering here. Didn't go there. Online safety, hey. No NDA from TopStep or Apex. No NDA. What did Ebbs do to get flagged by Apex? I don't know. Most likely scalping. They were asking about scalping. So yeah. Yeah, it's not a good feeling. I know. Obviously, so I'm gonna ask for payout, and I'm prepared because I'm prepared already with screenshots and everything because I DCA'd at least once on my funded account with Apex. So at least one DCAing is there. I have the screenshot, the log, everything. And I did have a few scalps here and there. I also made some screenshots. Well, let's see. If they ask me, obviously I'm going to explain myself as much as I can. But, you know. Look at this. Are we going higher? I'm tempted to jump into a long, but I don't know. I still see this going higher. I'm actually, I don't know. F it. I'm jumping in. I jumped in. I jumped in. How much do I need? I don't even know. I don't even know how much I need. I think I need to go. I think I need more. It's not going to be enough right now. 270. Oh man, I need to add one more to this to make sure that I'll pass. That sucks. I need to add more to make sure that I pass the account. Let's move on gold. You don't want. I don't know. I'm a little bit scared to go short on gold here, but if you short it, I hope you make some good profits with it. I'm a little bit scared. I think it's gonna break the order block at 24.61, so that's a good target. It's not my entry model, well, if I may say that. So it's not specifically my entry, but I think it will break that 24.61 too. Good chance for it. I'm waiting for a structure to form around here, and I'm gonna be staying bullish with gold, but that doesn't mean it's not gonna go down and, you know, break some levels. Can't believe this is really after market close. Yeah. Where's the stop loss? My stop loss is at 81.50. It's not at the good place right now, but if it trades below this, then it's gonna go for that swing low. This trade is based on only my feelings. So this is not exactly the model I use to trade, and this chart that you see here is the 30-second chart. It looks good on the 30-second, but I was watching the 1 minute as well. And I'm still watching the 15-minute. I like that high at 50. What's the high there? 45. Man, this one might want to drop. If it takes the elevator down, I'm just gonna close it. I'm gonna eat the loss. Oh man, I don't like this. Maybe it goes down to 67. Let's see if it's gonna spike down below that 87. I might gonna close it manually. Don't like the way the candles are printing now. It shows weakness. Sorry, it shows weakness here. It's just not going. As much as it was tempting to go up there, it still is. It might want to go all the way down to the 120s on the 15-minute. Reprice the whole thing until 118-ish. But if it makes a displacement above 206, I might add one more micro just to make sure it's passing the evaluation. Excuse me, guys. I'm not sleeping well these days. No. You have great composure when in a trade. This is not a funded. I don't trade funded account in the London session nowadays. I need extra volume because it drives me crazy. This is just an evaluation. But yesterday I made $1,200 on one of the new funded accounts at Bulenox. I was going crazy and made 1,200. And I'm gonna be requesting payout from Apex. They might gonna deny me, who knows. I know I had DCAing on the account, so I'm prepared. I know I did DCA. All right, should I add one more? All right, I added one more. I don't like this. I added one more. Trying to go for that high. Stop is gonna be here. For now, let's go. Let's pass this one. Dollar cost averaging, John D. Most likely, when you're in a losing trade, you keep adding to a losing trade. But also you can add to a winning trade, and that's also dollar cost averaging. So, St. Patrick, good morning. No, not yet. Did I say that? I want to. The request window is open until from the 1st of the 5th, and I'm prepared for the. I might have said it wrong. I apologize, but I'm gonna request it tomorrow as the window opens up, because I passed to the right after the 20th of this month. I made the payout threshold, and I'm gonna request the payout from tomorrow, but I have my screenshots and everything. So yeah, sorry, I apologize. I may have said it wrong, not intentionally, but I'm gonna requesting the payout from tomorrow because that's the next payout period. So how much do you need on funded Bulenox account to start getting paid? You need to make $3,600. Oh, look at this freaking trade. Man, this is annoying. This is annoying. This is such a BS, man. Just comes back for my stop. Such a BS. This is BS, guys. This is BS. All right. No problem. Typical Nasdaq, dirty moves, right? All around the place. Was looking really good. Yes, $3,600. Because you are required to leave the $2,600 safety threshold on the account, and the minimum withdrawal is $1,000. So if you add it together, that's $3,600. But you can only withdraw money from the account if you leave $2,600 threshold. Now, if you want to close the account, you can withdraw the threshold, but you're gonna only keep 40% of the safety threshold. So 40% of the $2,600, but then you have to close the funded account. That's the requirement. So yes, it's a little bit more to trade for, but it's not impossible. So at MyFundedFutures, I'm aiming for around $3,000. With Apex, I try to aim for $3,000 for the next round as well. So yeah, you're welcome to the FOMC, but it will be a surprise if they cut. Yeah, most likely concentrate on the press conference, guys. Just focus on the press conference. It's gonna be the real kicker. So obviously the FOMC statement is gonna be boring, a little bit boring, as expected, and most likely some diplomatic, nothing special. But Powell has to comment on the questions about the market. This time he has to. And hopefully there will be some good questions that can shake the market. So the press conference always gives that extra push. Yeah. Anyway. Sorry. Let's see how it goes. Plus, minus, yeah. It's just a consolidation. I do like that level still up there at 45, so that's why I put my take profit at 43. I'm already a little bit oversized on this one with 4 micros. So if it takes one more leg higher, I might gonna put my stop, a little bit tighter. If it makes the displacement above the 22s, 25s, then I might going to put it a little bit tighter. You're long since 205. Let's go. Well, I've added to this one, so my average is 201. Looking to pass this account if we can. If not, then on to the next one, right? What can we do? This is trading. I'm just actually very frustrated. The thing that happened to me many times on the funded accounts. If I trade the funded accounts aggressively in London session, there's a high chance that I screw up something. Or maybe I don't screw up anything, I just have a bad session. And it freaks me out for the New York session, because in the New York session, I'm going to be focusing on digging myself out of the hole on the funded account. And I hate that. I really hate that. I hate going into the New York session that I'm already digging myself out of the hole. And it's a bad feeling. It's confusing, frustration, and everything. So I found that, since we have much higher volume in New York, in London, it's a good time to build up some evaluations, analyze the market, put some trades on evaluation accounts. Maybe if there's an A+++++ trade, a superb trade, maybe with a small size, I take it on a funded account, but not on a Monday. But usually this strategy worked out for me so far, so good. So in the background, I'm building the evaluations with MyFundedFutures, take profit, and everywhere I can. And in New York, I can focus a little bit more on the funded account for the A+ setups. That's why in New York, I usually used to just on the stream, just stare at the screen. Don't really do anything. I'm waiting for like a really good setup, but oh, you mother tucker. Shut the front door. What the hell are you doing? It's gonna take me out. Man, this is a joke. That happens to me too. Yeah, chilling and researching in London session. That's what I do. This is a joke, man. Look at this drop. All right. No matter. Yeah. This is a joke, NQ. This is absolutely a hilarious joke, Nasdaq. Absolutely a joke. I think I'm risking about $120 on this trade. I mean, simulated demo profits. And if it takes me out, obviously I'm gonna be waiting for the next one. But this is a joke. NQ is a joke this morning. Yeah, 4 equal highs. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the hell is going on, but I don't want to move my stop because if it trades through, then it can go lower to the 80s. So there you have it. It's going to take me out. Oh yeah, a lot of hair. Absolutely, a lot of hair. On NQ2 accounts. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Out at 16. Wow, then you made some good profits there. That has to be around more than 400 bucks in profit. That's a good one. That's a good one. Two accounts are green. Let's go. Well, this account right now for me is not going to be green. It's going to be red right now. Well, I was holding to it, but, you know, at least I was keeping my stop tight. So, we'll see. It would be a miracle if it would go higher now. It would be more logical for price to take out some liquidity lower. Relax. Red is part of the game. Absolutely it is. It is. If you want to sell it, also not comfortable because of equal highs, yes. Yes, if you just opening the charts, this is exactly the point where, you know, you should not be jumping into anything. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, I'm here. I am here. Quick phone call. All right. They didn't pick up. Maybe they were going to call me back. I needed to make an important phone call, but they didn't pick up. Yeah, I didn't close partials. I want to make a home run on this account if I can. So obviously home runs are dangerous. But what can we do, right? We are living a dangerous life. And this price action really sucks right now. It could be consolidating all the way until New York session. All the way. So living on the edge. We are living on the edge. Oh, don't tell me about living on the edge. I was definitely living on the edge for some times. Yeah. And to think about it, it was a nightmare. It was a nightmare living on the edge. So sure hope I don't have to do that again. So the fireworks are going to go off at FOMC press conference today. What's the time, by the way? Oh, we still have time from the kill zone, so anything can happen, guys. Anything at all. Anything can happen. No clear direction. This sucks so much. Yeah. The only level I was checking, if you go for the 5-minute or the 15, you will see the 245 as a nice swing high. I was aiming for that. And the 15-minute is a bearish order block, not a perfect one. So I thought that price wants to go all the way up there. And that's why I entered the trade. But yeah. You make a silly NQ prediction. Well, I don't think there's such a thing as silly NQ prediction. NQ can do anything. NQ can do whatever it wants. I don't like this. It feels weak. No strength in price. And down by 300 points, followed by 800 points upward swing. It can happen. It can happen, actually. Don't forget, guys, up at the 800s, we still have a gap. So it's not that silly. It's actually, it can work out. Anyone here seeing some deltas from Apex with getting your PA accounts after what? Anyone here seeing some deltas from Apex getting your PA account after passing? Delays, okay. Delays. I didn't have any delays recently. So when I passed the account, the next day I received my email. And when I paid the activation fee, usually I pay it in the London session, I get the account in like 5 minutes. So far I didn't see anything delayed there. But if you don't have the account activation, then you should raise a support ticket for sure. Just to make sure. Just to make sure that, you know. All right. What's gonna happen here? What a slow day, guys. What a slow day. Slow session, I must say. Looks better than Apex. Yeah, Bulenox, I would say that the option 1 accounts is basically the copycat of Apex, and the option 2 accounts is the copycat of TopStep. So no rules, nothing. Only thing is the 40% consistency rule, but on the funded account, on the evaluation account, there is no consistency. And you can pass in 1 day, but you still have to trade for 5 days. So if you pass it on your first day, you still have to flip the account for 4 more days. It's a little bit silly, but that's how it goes. You have to push the button with a micro in and out for 4 more days. I don't know why, but anyway. But it's good. They're not asking questions. They're paying. Not just me, I mean, pretty much they paid everybody so far that we know of. So maybe we got some movement after German unemployment. Oh yeah, there's gonna be news soon. I think it goes down. The heart rate increases. You know, the heart rate only increases that much if you have a little bit of an oversized position there, or if you're on a funded account. Hey Muhammad, you're going away? All right, bye there. Hope to see you next time. Thank you for being here, Muhammad. Apex cash-in process are very good. Oh yeah, I guess most of the prop firms cash-in process are very good. Zakti, good morning. Exception is fast track trading. They only have bank wire transfer for now. Hopefully they will do the credit cards soon. But anyway. Rodion, hey. Good to see you on the stream. What's happening? How you doing? I've known Apex to get the PA account out quickly in the past. Yeah, usually they do the PA accounts quickly after activation. Come by to complain about the crappy Apex copier. Oh well, I never used the Apex copier, but so far everybody complains about the Apex copier. So if you're using NinjaTrader, obviously go with Replicanto. So there's a free 1-week trial with Replicanto, so you can try that. I would go with that. But everybody was complaining about Apex Copy Trader. Look at the 15-minute chart, no action. Oh yeah, I was watching on my left screen. But here you go, guys, 15-minute chart. Look at this. Look at this BS. Absolutely BS here. Looks like a bullish flag thingy, but it can just boom, shake out everyone and then go higher. But what's the high here? Is 45 is the high. On micro, the high is also 45. So yeah. It is a little bit crappy. Excuse me. I'm sorry if I'm yawning here too much. I do. I know. Did you buy the Quantower license? Yes. Only the advanced features. Paying for the advanced features. As usual, when it will move, it go fast. Yes. Yes, exactly. Exactly. I traded with Atas and they're following. It works really good. Oh, there you go. I was looking, I wanted to look into that. Now MyFundedFutures is gonna come out with a new platform. I mean, not a new platform, not their own platform. But the rumor goes around like they partnered up with another provider. So there might be a new trading platform coming in to MyFundedFutures. I wonder which one is it going to be. It's not confirmed. It could be a false rumor, but they said they're going to come up with the details tomorrow. So I'm curious. I noticed the formation of a bullish pennant. Furthermore, the VIX has already passed its support, sign of market strength. Okay, that's a good thing, I guess. Yeah, that's thank you, Bob. That's a good thing. So you can trade copy. Yes, exactly. I copy trade between different prop firms. Right now, I'm connected to TopStep, MyFundedFutures, Bulenox, and Apex right now. But I can connect to take profit traders too. So I have multiple connections right now connected. That's the good thing in Quant Tower. I mean, you are connected to these prop firms at the same time. All right, now what's happening? Are we gonna go for it or what? Should I put this to break even? I'm gonna hold it for now. And maybe going to 1.50. Yeah, I put it to break even just to make sure. Let's see, are we gonna get it or not? I wonder. Yeah, Rhythmic accounts. Yes, I'm on Rhythmic accounts. Unfortunately, MyFundedFutures is permanently disabling Rhythmic purchases in the future. They're done with Rhythmic. That's what they said. Too many issues with them, it seems like, and they said they're not going to be giving Rhythmic accounts in the future. So that's it. That's why they're coming up with a new provider. You can still use TradeAway and NinjaTrader 2 with their demo account feature. So, but no more Rhythmic. That's what they said. So I'm curious, which one is it going to be? They said they've done with Rhythmic. But you know, I say to this, never say never. They might bring it back if everybody wants it. So yes, I'm on Rhythmic accounts. Obviously, I'm switching slowly to TradeAway because I want to purchase new accounts with MyFundedFutures as well. I already have, and I choose TradeAway. Otherwise, oh, Neil Graybanks, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Is this gonna be a home run or just another? What the hell is going on here, man? Oh man, what is going on here? I wanted to go for the home run. It's just an eval, guys, so I already have like 3 others that passed, so I'm fine. I'm fine with this by not taking partials or anything. If I lose this trade, I'm still gonna be at break even, so it's fine. TradeStation would be best. Yeah, TradeStation, I heard that it's good. Out again. Nice. I don't like TradingView, Sorel. I mean, it's not that it's so bad, but for scalping, it's obviously very bad. Otherwise, I don't know. For charting, TradingView is great, but for trading, I don't really like it. There's too much lag. I just like Quantower. I wish Quantower was the front end to TradeAway. Yeah. It's 2 different companies. That's the problem. 2 different type of connection type. Just a fake break could be. Unfortunately. I really wanted to see this. Looks good. In fact, the TP is too close. I'll be happy to exit this one at that TP level because I just want to pass this account. So nothing extra. Hey, Trading Star, what's up? Oh, gold. Oh, look at this. Do we have FOMO on gold, Gerald? No FOMO yet, but actually it's it could be a good entry to go long. Let me see. I might gonna take a long here on gold. I just don't know on which account should I take that. There's the VWAP down there. I might gonna take a long on gold. All right. No, not that. Not that. Oh, come on. Where's the GC? We're gonna have the right, no data. What the hell is going on here? GC. Why is it not pulling this on? Oh, there's a connection issue happening right now with Rhythmic. Jesus. Everything has stopped. Everything turned into red. Good morning, Ziggy. You're on a sell? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm still in this long, but yeah, there's a small liquidity void down there. It's gonna reprice it. We have liquidity coming in less than 3 minutes. I'm kind of going trade away to TradingView because sometimes I mess up calculate. Yeah, TradingView has some good tools to calculate your risk, so that's a good thing. That's actually a good thing. What a move here. Nice rejection. Well, that's it for the home run. Anyway, liquidity coming in less than 2 minutes. I don't think I'm gonna last for that long with this trade. I think it's gonna take me out before that. Congo, hey, good morning. On NQ, waiting for the flip, the 4-hour inversion gap. Yeah, that's a good strategy. Asia have been so good for a couple of days. Yeah, it might gonna take a dump here. I don't know. Maybe everybody was waiting for New York to close. TradingView has a consistent data lag for 5 seconds. Yes, that's true. If you're not a subscriber, to TradingView, you're going to have a 5-second lag. Even if you got the data from TradingView and you log into, from TradeAwait, if you log into TradeAwait through TradingView and you get the data from CME, you're still going to have at least 3 seconds of lag if you're not subscribed to at least the essential package on TradingView. So you're gonna have a lag. No matter that you got the login and the data from TradeAwait, you're gonna have a lag. On Forex pairs, 5 seconds. On futures, 3 seconds. So careful. That's how it goes. So you must have a subscription on TradingView in order to have no lag. But still, you're gonna have a lag a few milliseconds if in execution if you trade through TradingView. But anyway, volume is coming in. Let's see where this one wants to go. Yeah, we're just waiting now. It's 4 a.m. so equities are open. Let's see if there's some volume is coming or not. Let me check the book map. I never really use the book map. Maybe I'm gonna use it in the future. I don't know. but out of curiosity, I'm just gonna check it real quick. Yeah, there's no clear direction so far. Orders everywhere, up and down. Oh hey, Creed, subscribed to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. I don't know. Volume is just not doing its thing. I have to make a quick phone call. Anyway, I'm here. Thank you for the subscription, Creed. What a royal welcome. All right. Good morning. May you all have an awesome trading day. Thank you. Decent blue trading on your ledgers today. I wish you all. Thank you so much, Creed. Thank you. I wish the same to you as well. Some good profits, good trades. But most of all, be healthy. Live like at least 100 years. But yes, it looks like this home run is not gonna play out again. This is my third try this morning. I guess I can consider myself lucky to being able to exit always at break even, but that 45 level is just not giving the levels that I want. I mean, that price I want. Yeah, that's not good. Microsoft falls, yeah. At least 100 years, at least. That's the bare minimum. I'm out. How am I doing? I made $2 today. Can you drag a trend line from 180? 180 candle trend line. 180 candle. Yeah. Why not? Let's do it. Sure. Look at that. So once it broke through here. Now these ones are connected, but if we connect this one, there's a down close candle below the trend line, so it's actually breaking lower. It didn't go to that high. Almost got it, but didn't. Too much. 100 years is too much. Oh man. On to the next trade, guys. This evaluation account just doesn't really want to pass right now. All right, what targets do we have? If it wants to break lower, obviously we have a sell side at 167. And what else? 167. Yeah, maybe down at 180. Could go there. Should I just take a short and target the 180? think I will. I took the short, but 83, 183, maybe. Took this short, maybe I shouldn't have. Because if it breaks lower, obviously it should go down to that 183, maybe 83.75. That's my TP. Putting it to break even now. There it is. Just for a scalp. F this, I'm taking profit. At least I'm slowly trying to get it back somehow. F it. F it. Let's go. It actually went down. Oh my god, it actually went down to my TP and I closed it early. No, it didn't. On the micro, it didn't. On the mini, it did. So I guess it's good that I closed it. Yeah. Just a quick scalp here. Quick scalpy. You picked up 70 times 2, Paul. Great. That's awesome. Paul, that's great. You're looking for these highs obviously not gonna get taken so much. Up there at 237. All right. 167 would be the next level. I'm not jumping this because no, I just don't feel it. I got pretty much mixed up here, so I'm gonna wait for a possible long entry. If it takes out some liquidity down there, I might gonna jump in again, but right now I just don't know. I got in at 19,200 and it is a swing trade. Oh, that's good. 300 points. Nice. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. Let's go, everybody. Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. It's going down, I guess. No. I'm still gonna hold my level for 245, but obviously I'm not jumping in now. Because, you know. On the 5 minute, it seems like it's still in the range. Why the hell is Streamlabs spamming this much? I already turned down the time interval, the lines, everything. I don't want really Streamlabs to spam this much of these links. I'm sorry guys, I apologize. Every day I'm turning the lines higher and the time period a few minutes higher, and it still keeps spamming. I'm sorry. Do you ever use MT4? Yes, MT5 most likely for charting. I do have some custom indicators, but nothing special. I'm also testing IC markets again, because I was wondering if I should deposit $1,000 to trade with CFD Nasdaq, which is called US Tech or something like that. I don't know. It's a made up thing. So Mary, hey, good morning. Yeah, I don't use EAs. I don't use it. No, nothing special. I tried to go for that 247 like 3 times this morning with micros, and it didn't give it to me. I exited with break even, trying to pass this evaluation, but it's just not giving me the level. That's all that happened. Nothing special for now. I'm still looking to get into it. I'm actually thinking to get into that right now. Not gonna lie. All right. Jumped in with 3 micros again. I don't know why I'm so attached to that. I do have a little bit of profit to give back with a little bit of a stop loss. Yeah. So let's see. It's a very, very, very small position. I might gonna end up with a stop loss, obviously. I got married to the idea to go for that 45. If it goes for my TP up there, I should be able to pass the account. I'm risking only a small, like $100 or something. So that's fine. That is fine. Gold is still here. I would prefer a long position on gold. But I'm not sure. Look at Fibonacci. How much more do you have to make? Well, you can see it above somewhere in my head. Right here. I still need like less than $300 for this. But, you know, I started the day at 2,658, I think. So I'm willing to lose some. It's not a big deal. It's just evaluation. And I already have 3 more evaluations lined up. That's passed. So and it looks like it's gonna give I'm gonna give this back to the market again. And now I'm gonna go back to drawdown. Look at this. Oh man, what a day. Dude, don't tell me you didn't take me down there. Just take me out. Don't tell me the stop loss was left there. Just finish the job properly. Don't tell me that my stop loss is still there. It's like crazy. Oh man. random. Absolutely random. Oh, it should take me out. There is some more ways to go down, so yeah. What a day. If it goes into profit after this, I'm gonna go crazy. Look at this, man. Look at this. Dug myself out of $1,300 to $5. Let's go, Dark Cloud. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Nice job there. Quick phone call, sorry. All right, I'm here. Quickie phone call. I don't know how I survived this. Yeah, I think it's still gonna take me out. I highly doubt that this is gonna go up without sweeping some lows down there. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know. Well, it seems like it's going. Why IC markets? I was trading with IC markets years ago, and you know they paid me out. I mean, obviously I was losing in the long run, but they paid out very fast. The customer support was okay. No questions asked. Everything was smooth. So I had good experience. That's all. And I still have an account with them after these years. Sometimes I did deposit $100 or $200 to test out some strategies on MetaTrader. So I mean, I had no negative experience with IC markets so far. They're one of the biggest in the forex space. It's not a prop firm, if you guys knew. It's a brokerage, forex brokerage, but they have offshore and regulated departments as well. So they're all over the world, pretty big. So that's it. Nvidia. Let's check out Nvidia. Whoa. So that's causing some problems there. And what's gold doing? Gold is down there. So I don't know how I survived this trade, but I'm still in this. I guess it's luck. It's definitely luck. It's gonna go back down, reprice this liquidity void, and then maybe go up there again. $146 looks like a great place for long. Yeah, could be. If we get down there, I might try once more. But we'll see. If the market come back, I go long. Yeah, that's a good idea. The problem is now I can feel it on myself. I'm pretty much attached to that 245 level. I should not be. This is gonna come down very fast to 197. Just watch it. It's gonna drop back down to 197 super fast. Look at this. Boom. It's gonna go down, and then it's gonna go down to 94. I'm thinking to close this. I'm closing it. And if you ask me why, because it's gonna come down, I think. Here. I just don't like the whole thing. But if it goes higher, then I don't care. The next setup will come. But look at that level. I just don't like it. It's also on the oh no. Now comes the FOMO. I still don't like it. I don't know why I exit this. I mean, I know. I still don't have a good feeling about this. It's gonna come down, reprice. Maybe it could give a better entry. I don't know. Don't like it. I do feel some FOMO. Not gonna lie. So it came out. Now you think it go down, it will go up. Exactly. Exactly. I'm gonna get pissed now. So yeah. Oh man. The worst thing you can do now, or I can do now, is just re-enter the trade. That would be the worst thing I could do. So I'm not going to re-enter. If it takes out the 245 level, at least I will still have the moral victory, right? And I will see the next trade. Look at this mother talker. Oh my god. Whoa, what up? Ugh. 100% sure that the market maker are following. Oh yeah, definitely. They do. They do. Anyway, I will have some peace in my mind if it takes out the 245. So. Jesus. I can't watch this, guys. I just can't. It's too painful. I wanted to go safe. I wanted to go super safe to wait for that pullback down here. And you know, I thought that, okay, it goes down. I may re-enter once more and then I will have some profit to sacrifice if it wants to run. But now it's just going. It's just going without me. The thing is, we still have 35 minutes from the kill zone, and there's only one target it can go for. is the 45. F it. Did I just do that? Did I just did do that? I think I did. Right? This is something you should not do. Oh yeah. It's FOMO trade. It's pulling back now. It's pulling back. That's a FOMO trade right there. And, you know, the best thing is I enter right at the top. I buy at the top and sell at the bottom, you know. You know, that's how it is. So I'm just going to see if it does the job until the kill zone goes or not. It will go down. I know. SMTVDS. Yeah. Huge FOMO trade there. The harder I try to pass this account, the harder it gets. I'm ready to close this, by the way, if it starts to take the elevator. It's almost like a V-shaped recovery to the top. And that's why I wanted to jump in on this algorithmic move. All right. All right, F it. That's it. All right, no more trades. I'm done. I'm done with this account. That's it. I'm closing it. I don't care if it goes up. Obviously, I think it will go down. Reprice 197. There's a gap down there also on the mini. I'm done with this account for the session. I tried it. Ended up break even, and that's it. That is it. That is it. 197 is a small fair value gap down there. It's actually doing the thing. 197, and there's that level. I was hoping for this pullback sooner. So that's it. I'm done with the account. I tried it. It's not working out. I did one more micro. Let's go. If it goes to 45, so be it. This setup is no longer, it's messing up my mind. So 245 is the level that I think it's going to get taken. Question is it going to go down before that, or it's just going to go straight up there to 245? I think it's going to go straight to 245. Now that I exited, there you go. F this. All right. I'm done with this. Yeah, thank you, but yeah, it's because I just throw away my microphone like this. Here's the microphone, like in the background. Uh, it's not broken. I'm just not speaking, and the microphone is up here. It's up there. I know. And there we are. It's a good thing that I exited, because as soon as the market saw that I closed the trade, it can finally go to my target. Finally, I would have passed this account. So this account would have been passed if I just don't close the trade. Yeah. All right, I'm done for this session. This London session was fun, but I made super stupid mistakes. So obviously the next setup is gonna come sooner or later. By the way, overall, I think it's gonna go higher and gonna go into the 15-minute order block at 266. Just saying. So I think it's gonna go higher. Very unlucky. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I have to go out and do some stuff in the city anyways. I'll be back in the New York session, and we'll try to do something with this account. Anyway, thank you. Trade funded in the afternoon, and that's it. I have to go out. And just blow off some steam or whatever, because it's if I look at this for how many hours? 2 hours and 40 minutes. I'm aiming for that freaking 245, and right at the finish line I exit and it goes to my target. So my fault, obviously. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This was a fun session, actually. So if you would like to support my stream, please use my codes. Today is the last day for Bulenox 90%. Of course, there could be another sale, who knows. But last day for 90% Bulenox. Apex Trader, last day for the big accounts, $40. $40 for 150K and higher. And 80% off. And, as the usual. Check it out. Use my codes. Thank you, guys. And see you in the New York session. Love you all. Later. Cheers.